everyone, it's Courtney. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing plus a first time trying Le Volume mascara from Chanel. So if you're interested, then keep watching. So I have no mascara on right now and I feel naked. Like I'm a mascara girl. I have to have my mascara. So I have been, let me preface this, I have been loving the Kevyn Aucoin Indecent mascara. Love that. That was like my newest holy grail. I have been obsessed with it and it's running dry. I needed a new one. Went to go look for it and apparently they don't make it anymore. Yeah, so I was looking around for like really good mascaras and the Chanel Le Volume came up. It came up quite a few times. I haven't used any Chanel mascaras before, so I did a little bit of research on their website and checked out, you know, other reviews and stuff, and a lot of people seem to love this. It's apparently like a classic, so I figured I'd give it a shot. So let's get started with unboxing this baby, shall we? Let's go. Alright, so as you guys saw, this packaging is so adorable. This is so cute. I mean, for a mascara, I mean, is it extra? Is it a lot? Yes, but this is so cute. I know a lot of people use like Chanel boxes as like showpieces to sit, and I can see why. It's so beautiful. So, love the packaging. So here is what the packaging looks like just for the box. It's really sleek, just very, very Chanel. Very sophisticated, I would say. So this is the Le Volume de Chanel. I know I need to say that with a bit more ha-ha, but Le Volume de Chanel. So I got this in number 10 Noir Black. I only do black mascaras. So open these up, it has the iconic little Chanel logo right there. And here's what that looks like. Really pretty. It doesn't feel heavy, but it feels solid. Not metal, I mean plastic, but it feels like a good plastic. So here's the moment we're waiting for. Let's see what the wand looks like. It's a lot shorter than I was expecting. That's what she said. Oh. All right. So here is what the wand looks like. It does look like the wand that I would really like. I'm not a huge fan of certain ones. So there's that. Alright guys, off with the glasses. Zoom in on the eyes. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome to my eyes. God, look at these. Jeez. This is what 33 does to you. Okay, we're gonna get started with the mascara. If you see me looking down, I have a mirror down here, so but I'm gonna try to do this mostly in the camera. So I got a mirror here just so I can see what I'm doing. And, oh, you guys, I'm doing this like lightly because I'm not using my normal mirror. Wow. I'm impressed. It's actually working pretty good. I am kind of getting it over my lid because I don't have my normal mirror here. But I'm actually impressed with this. Again, don't score me on the mistakes, the smudges. I'm actually liking this. God, look at that though. Doing the bottom lashes now. If I hadn't had like gotten this all over my top lash, I would have been impressed. Wow, you guys, look at that. So this is just one coat. Dang. So I didn't do any liner or anything of the sort because I wanted to be able to really see the mascara, see how it looked, see if it flakes or anything. Oh, you guys. So this eye obviously has nothing. This eye just has the mascara on it, no primers, no base coats, no nothing. What do you guys think? Leave in the comments below, let me know. What do you think? One coat? Shall we go for two? I never normally do two coats, but let's go for it. So here we are after the two coats. What do you guys think? I think, let me get my mirror here. Let me zoom you out for a second so I don't feel like I'm being rude. Let's see, there we go. So for me, that's not bad actually. I think I'm more of like a one coat kind of gal, but the two really adds like drama. I don't know if it's a bit, I could have waited a bit too long to do the two coats. It did kind of have time to like set. So let me do this eye, and I'm gonna do this like one coat, maybe give it like a few seconds and then do a second coat, and we'll see if that makes a difference. So hang on. All right guys, so forgive it like getting all over my eye. I'm using my little like handheld mirror here, and I'm used to like my big bathroom mirror with my lights and you name it. So kind of got a little bit sloppy, but let's just disregard that because that always happens, doesn't it? I mean, you know. So here we go. So this eye I think I let it set for maybe like 5 to 10 seconds before I did the second coat. And honestly, I like this mascara. So far, it's very pigmented in color. It's buildable, which I like too. I'm just anxious to see how it wears today. So I'm gonna wear this mascara all day long, and I'm gonna see how does it perform. I'm gonna be comparing it to my OG, the Kevyn Aucoin Indecent, because that was my holy grail. And I'm gonna compare, my cat scratching at the door. So I'm gonna put this to the test. I'm gonna wear this all day long. I'm gonna see how it performs, you know, is there any issues with it? How do I like it, etc. So I will check back in a little bit. So see you in a second. Let's see who keeps knocking at the door while I'm trying to film. Who could it be? It's a baby! Are you trying to help me film? Yes. That's Mommy's mirror. Come here, come say hi. Come here, come say hi. Alright guys, I am checking back in. Oh my god, it is snowing today. I just came back inside from being outside in the snow. Thus the hair, thus the hat. Today was like the perfect day to be testing out a mascara and seeing how it does. I have not checked it at all, so we're gonna do a first impression. So I think I filmed the earlier part of this video at like 8:30 this morning, and it is now almost 4:30 in the afternoon. The sun is getting ready to go down, so pretty much a full day here. Like I said, I've been out in the snow, you name it. So I'm going to check and see how my mascara looks. All right, so off with the glasses, and let's make sure this is focused. All right, so glasses are off. Here is my lovely face. I've been outside in the snow, been shoveling the snow, been doing stuff around the house today. It's a snow day. But yeah, these are my lashes, you guys. And I have to say, I'm pretty impressed. I have had no flaking, no fallout, nothing. I mean, that's pretty good. I actually got compliments on it. I was on FaceTime with my mom and she actually was like, wow, your lashes look good. So, what do you guys think? Let me know. I'm pretty impressed. I have my little mirror here. Let me zoom out so I don't look so rude. There we go. I'm pretty impressed. They look really good. So, you guys, I think we have a winner. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this little first impression slash unboxing of the Le Volume de Chanel. I am so far really liking this. I think it's going to be right up there with the Kevyn Aucoin Indecent Mascara, like I've mentioned so many times in this video, that I love. I think this is going to be right up there with it. So we'll see when we use it for a while, see what I think. So far, I really enjoy it. So I'm sure some of you are wondering, how much does this cost? This was $35, and I got free shipping. I don't have a Chanel store near me, but they are in an Ulta and a Macy's. I believe it was an Ulta. Anyway, they're not too far from me, but I just figured I'd order it from Chanel.com, so that's what I did. Free shipping. Shipping only took 2 days to get here, so not too bad. And like I said, $35, complimentary shipping, and just little taxes was included. So I think it came to $36, almost $37 with change. So it is a little bit on the higher end, but like I said earlier, higher end seems to kind of work a lot better than the ones you're gonna find in the drugstores or like Walmart, whatever. Plus the mascaras, like the prices of mascaras in the drugstores and Walmart, they're kind of getting up there. So it's kind of a little bit worth it to try something that might be better, last longer, and give you better results. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, that way you're notified when I do an upload. Alright guys, as always, until my next video, I will see you later.